Good morning students. Now we are going to see the magnification of lens. We are using an convex lens as an magnification lens. To say the palm reader will be using the convex lens to enlarge our lines in the palm, such as it is enlarging the image. How much it is enlarging, that is the ratio between height of the image and the height of the object. The ratio between the height of the image and the height of the object gives the magnification of your lens. Spherical lenses produces magnification and is defined as the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. Magnification is denoted by the letter M. If the height of the object is h, for example, it may be 2 or 3 centimeter, and the height of the image it is in a magnified. If it is in an enlarged manner, it will be more than 2 centimeters, 3, 4, 5 depends upon that. The ratio between the, if the magnified image height is 4 centimeter, then the first the object height is 2 centimeter, then 4 divided by 2 you will get 2 magnified. How many times it magnified? 2 times it is magnified, such that you will be finding the magnification. So the magnification is also related to the distance of the image and the distance of the object. M is equal to V by U. If the magnification is greater than 1, then we get an enlarged image. If the magnification is less than 1, we get an diminished image. Then we will see the lens maker formula. Already when we are studying about the spherical lenses, I said the lens will be taken from the joining of two spherical mirrors, and 2f is equal to center of curvature of the lens, isn't it? The center of curvature is equal to radius of the sphere from which the lens has been cut. So it is, the lens is an optically transparent medium. All the optical transparent medium has an refractive index. We have studied about the refractive index, the speed of light passing through the medium to the air, the ratio of the speed of light passing through the medium to the air is called as refractive index. So lens is a transparent medium, so it has refractive index, and it is cut from a sphere, it has a radii. So the lens maker will have their own formula to find out the focal length of the convex lens when it is, any lens, when they are preparing the lens. So 1 by f is equal to mu times, whereas mu is the refractive index, minus 1 within the bracket, and 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Okay, this is the formula. You may ask what is r1 and r2. The radius of, I said, the lens is prepared by the converging the two spherical spheres. So the two spherical spheres will be having the radius r1 and r2. Is it clear to you? Lens maker's formula. Lens makers will have a different formula to find the focal length of a lens what they are preparing, because lens is a transparent medium, it will be having a refractive index, and it is cut from the two spherical spherical lens merged. So the spherical will have an radius, the sphere will have the radius, the two spheres r1 and r2. Relating all those things, the focal length 1 by f is equal to mu minus 1 within a bracket 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Then we have to read on power of a lens. Each lens will have a power to converge or diverge the images. When a ray falls on a lens, when it is a convex lens, it will converge the rays. When it is a concave lens, it will diverge the rays. Depends upon the focal length of the lens. The ability of converging or diverging is called its power. The ability of converging the rays or the diverging the rays is called as power. Power of a lens also defined as the degree of convergence or divergence of light rays. Power of lens is numerically defined as the reciprocal of the focal length. For example, if a lens had a focal length 10 centimeter, what is its power? 1 by 10. You will be getting 0.1. For every definition, we will be having a formula as well as definition, formula as well as unit to measure. So for the power of lens, Measurement unit is diopter. The SI unit of power of lens is diopter. It is represented by letter D, capital D. If the focal length is expressed in meter, then the power of lens is in diopter. One diopter is nothing but 1 meter inverse, because 1 by F, 1 by M. So it is meter inverse. By conversion, the power of a convex lens is taken as positive, whereas the power of a concave lens is taken. Just now we had seen that uh, sign conversion, Cartesian sign conversion. In this, you can able to clearly understood why it is positive and why it is negative. Okay, thank you. Is there any doubt? Ask me, I'll clarify it for you.